name is Hande Doğandemir. Her date of birth is November 22, 1985. And her present age is 36 years. Her nationality is Turkish. She is an actress, host, and sociologist by profession. Years active from 2009 to present. Her height is 170 cm tall. Alma mater from Ankara University of Turkish. Her eye color is hazel. His famous name is Ahmet Kutsi Karadoğan. And his nickname is Kutsi. His date of birth is March 16, 1973. And his present age is 48 years. His nationality is Turkish. He is a composer, singer, and songwriter by profession. Years active from 2015 to present. His height is 175 cm tall. And his ethnicity is white. His hair color is dark brown and his eye color is black.